Time is the same for everyone, but the productivity, hard work, and results are different from yours. They are making thousands and living the life they want and driving what they want to drive, and you are still stuck in the same place of your progress. I was also stuck in your place as well, but after a lot of hard work and trying different niches, I got 100K followers in just 60 days. I will make a separate video. If you comment down the 100K niche, then the next video completely on that niche, and all organic. So I have decided to help you to get out of this situation. But before starting the video, you must subscribe me and press the bell icons so you cannot miss the TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook earning videos to make fortune for you. Now you don't worry, I have got you covered. The top 5 niches that I brought to you today are very less competitive and easy to viral, and many gurus give you those niches that are very competitive, like history, tech stories, clipping, and AI. And you will get disqualified and unoriginal content issues. And you will get frustrated of fewer results, but don't worry. The good thing is, I am also working on these niches and got 100K followers on one of my accounts. I will reveal the niche. I got 100K followers in 60 days at the end of this video. So make sure you don't miss these niches to start the work. I brought the most easy side hustles niches that you can do while your job and spend only 1 to 2 hours a day to make and upload the video, and as a result, you can do it. So here are the 5 best niches on the number 5. I will bring the horror and curiosity niche. Yes, horror and curiosity niche. You will think it is also very saturated, but it is not. Here is the account that is printing thousands of dollars every month, and they are not running one account. They are running multiple accounts. Multiple accounts means multiple dollar streams. First, look at the accounts. Then I will teach you how you can do the same. This first account is Creepy Boy. He wears a mask, and in the first 5 seconds, he arrows to the title. This is his smart move to trick the viewer into staying on the videos for 3 to 5 seconds to read the title, which he points the finger in every video. And what you have to do is do the same strategy. Then add any horror images or videos you can take from the internet according to your story. Or you can Google it for the horror incident of history. Or you can do the same topic with your creativity, so you will not get any issues at all. Let me create one video in front of you so you can see the whole process and how easy it is. Take an example of this topic. Things are bigger than you think. Just Google and also try to find this topic on YouTube. Here you go. There is a lot of topics and a lot of images and videos available. Just download as per your need. Now go to 11 Lab and take out horror voiceover like this. Or you can clone it and then open the King software CapCut. Import all images, voiceover, and arrange your clip. First type the title and then align the images according to your voice. Here is the pro tip. If your account is new, then you should not make a 1-minute video. Instead, make short clips of at least 20 seconds to 35 or 40 seconds. In this way, your account will grow much faster than the others. Upload at least 2 videos a day. And don't forget to warm up your account. And this is it. You have successfully created the viral niche videos. Fourth niche. The fourth niche is news about the current incident, like any issue happening in the world, and many people are concerned about it. At the end of this second niche, there will be a bonus account that completes the criteria with just 1 video. It will also go viral easily, because many people listen to the news every day, and this is the best niche I have ever found. You will never run out of content. Something happening in this world daily, and you can make videos on them, as well as everybody wants to know what is happening in the world. Look at this account Rawan Muse and see the latest videos. He uploads with incident dates that get the attention of the viewer, and most videos are of USA conflict with other countries. So viewers will pay attention to this news. To make these videos, you need to read the international news daily. You can also get help from Twitter for the recent issues, and also you get the latest news from Google and download different short videos of the planes, drones, and other army equipment to make a video. Now import all data to the CapCut and then make the sequence of the images and videos that you have. Also write the title of every video to make the viewer stop, or you can just follow these accounts and just whatever they post, just remake it and upload it. You will get the good response. Just try it. In the start, you must upload short videos about the recent or famous incident. Then after monetization, you can make full 1-minute long video. This is best strategy to complete followers and watch time of TikTok account in a short period of time. Like you can see their first video, and now they have monetized account aprox in a month. People are very curious about current situation, so it is very easy. Niche. So you stick at the end of the second niche, and I said that I will show you golden account, so here is the account Dr. News, 99 with only first video. He completed his watch time with 1 video, and he also got 500 plus followers with 4 video. So if you are smart enough, then start this niche and start printing money. Third niche. Now come to the third niche, which is conspiracy theories that also attain people's attention very easily because it is directly linked with their lives. In this niche, many people are using Simpsons cartoon characters. They have made many predictions. Some come true and some are false. So it's people always curious about this cartoon. And now people are gaining money from this prediction by linking it with real-life incidents like a submersible implosion and Queen Elizabeth's death date reveal, and even predicting the death of Trump. And someone also tries to assassinate it on the 14th of July 2024. And this also predicts in the Simpson cartoon as well. So let's also create one incident to get you the idea how to start this niche. First again, go to Google and type Simpsons prediction. You will get a lot websites like Weekly Entertainment. They told the prediction and also relate it with real-life incident and Simpson cartoon. Predict it before the incident or innovation came into existence or happened. Then download images and also the images of real life and make a connection between them and write the title as well so people will see it is happened or happening as well. Now take the example of the Olympics. 2024, there is some predictions also came true during the opening ceremony, and people are making videos for it. Here is the example. Account Ufologium, and the other account is Simpsons. Predictions. Look at their recent videos. They are linked with recent incidents of the present. And here is the pro tip. You can make videos about the USA government and Biden and Trump, so you will get more viewers from USA. If you like this niche, then subscribe to my channel and share this video with other friends and fellows to give them content ideas. There is a lot of chance of virality of the video in this niche because of current and future predictions people are seeing with their eyes, and they react with it. Second niche. The second niche is very interesting and close to human-loving nature, and that is cat-loving niche, in which people make cat videos with ChatGPT and Ideogram or Midjourney, then edit in CapCut. And the big advantage of this niche is also the high engagement, because almost 1/3 of US owns the cat in the home, and they will definitely love the content and they will engagement with that. So let's create this content for this niche. You must have any paid subscription of ChatGPT or Ideogram. Both are very good, and you can even copy and paste the images. You can ask about the prompts of the images other successful accounts are using. Let's start making the content. Go to Ideogram or ChatGPT. First download any famous video or any viral TikTok account. Then take a screenshot and upload the image on any paid software. I am using Ideogram because of its unlimited image generation capacity. And after, make similar images with your own cat breed as you want. Or you can do it dog as well. After that, you can download the all images and come to CapCut, make the sequence of the images, and then export. If you are watching the video till here, so this is the bonus method that guarantees the results, and big gurus asking money from you for this. First, use a slideshow for this topic, and you will get instant results in 1 month. If not, then you can contact me on my Discord and message me your account. I will tell you where you are lacking. After exporting, first warm up the account in this niche and upload images on the trending cat sounds that other accounts are using. Then keep posting for a month and you will complete the followers and watch time within 1 month. I can bet you that just start the work. If you have any questions, just join my Discord link in the bio and ask me any questions. Number 1 niche. The number 1 niche is very interesting and very easy to create. So people are likely to engage with this niche for the topics of this niche. And that is a video slide of famous persons comparing their wealth, age, houses, political career, etc. This niche also have high potential because of the famous personalities you are going to use. So for this first look at the account that is doing tremendous work in this niche and making thousands of dollars every month. Look at this account. See the latest videos of this account and see the views of this account. And now he is making a smart move. Comparison videos of us actors who support Joe Biden and Trump and making people curious. Election is near, and many people are connected with news and politicians. So take a jump in that niche and blow your account in a month because elections are near. Now, let's create the video. Follow these steps. First, open canva.com. Set up and design in Canva. Start by choosing a custom size, 5000 x 1000 pixels in Canva. Change the background to black and create various shapes and text elements with specific dimensions and colors to form the base design. Adding details. Use different fonts for text, add shadows for effects, and include icons or graphics to make the design more visually appealing. Ensure proper spacing between elements for a clean layout. Using AI tools. Utilize ChatGPT to generate scripts and ideas for your data comparison videos, providing specific prompts to create scenarios that will populate your Canva template. Editing in CapCut. Import the completed design into CapCut. Adjust the scale to fit the YouTube format, 16:9 ratio, and set the duration of the video to around 30 seconds. Use keyframes to animate the movement of the image over time. Final touches and publishing. Export the final video in high quality, 60 FPS, optionally 4K, and ensure it is engaging and attractive to maximize audience retention and growth. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. If you start these niches right now, I can assure you, you can easily start making a TikTok creator reward program. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the next amazing video. That's it for today. See you in the next video.